Reading the SERP. SERP means search engine result page. When you search something on Google, it will give you result, and that result is assembled into SERP. SERP basically means search engine result page. So we can see these are SERP. This entire page is called SERP, search engine result page. On this page, the result of your search query is organized as per the Google ranking. So the first best ranking will be on the first position, the second best ranking will be on the second position, the third best ranking will be on the third position, the fourth will be on the fourth position. So these are organized as per the ranking of Google. Now suppose that your boss gives you assignment to search on export licenses. So I have searched for export licenses, and you can see this is the result, this is the result, this is the result, this is the result. These are some of the videos. So the result page is organized as per Google ranking. The first best is on the first position, the second best is on the second position, third is on third, fourth is on fourth position. So in this way, these results are organized. Now let me show you one important skills at this moment. That is lateral browsing. Lateral browsing means opening multiple tabs side by side so that we can switch between these tabs and have cross-reading so that we can analyze our result very quickly. Now let's see how lateral browsing works. So press Ctrl and click on the first link. We can see a new tab is opening regarding the first link here. Let's press Ctrl and click on the second link. We can see a new tab is opening regarding second link here. Now press Ctrl and click on the third link. We can see a new tab is opening here regarding third link. Again press Ctrl and click on the fourth link. A new tab is opening here. So let me go on each of these tabs one by one. Now we can switch between this tab easily and have a cross reading of our topic so that we can analyze the result quickly. Now suppose your boss modifies your search query and asks you to focus on export licensing from India, as his business is located in India and he wants to export from India. So now let me modify our research query. Now we can see the result. This is regarding import, this is regarding export. So press Ctrl and click on the first link. A new tab is opening here. Now this is again regarding export. Press Ctrl and click on the link. A new tab is opening here. This is also regarding Directorate General of Foreign Trade. So again press Ctrl and click here. You can see a new tab is opened here. So in this way you can open multiple tabs. Now let me switch between this tab. So click on this tab. We can see this is regarding how to export. This is Indian Trade Portal. So you can see start exporting. So these are the things we need to do before exporting things, like establishing organization, opening bank account, obtaining permanent account number, obtaining import export code, register membership certificate, select product, select market, finding buyer, sampling, pricing, negotiation with buyer, cover risk through ECGC, processing and export order, confirmation of order, procurement of good, quality control, finance, labeling, packaging and marketing, insurance, delivery, customer procedure, custom house agent, documentation, submission of document to bank, realization of export proceeds. So let me click on this link, import export code. This is a portal regarding registration for import export code. This is regarding complete export procedure, and this is the website of Directorate General of Foreign Trade, and this is regarding general foreign trade. So if we want to have export from India, this website is more relevant to us. So in this way, by opening multiple tabs, switching between the tabs, and have a cross reading to analyze the topic quickly, we can search for anything within a short period of time. Try to understand this portion. So this is URL, and this is title of the page, and this is summary. basically automatic generated summary by Google. Now in summary, you can see few terms are bold. They are bold basically because they match our search query. We can see here send, home, cash. You can see money, sent, home. So they might be antonyms or synonyms of our search query. We can also see ellipses here and again here. So what is ellipsis? What is the relevance of it? Google generate this summary automatically from the entire web page and put the word side by side. So basically ellipses indicate that there are more words which the Google is unable to show because of less space here to show. Please remember that the word in the summary has been taken from multiple lines from the web page. These lines are not from a single line or a single paragraph from the web page. So don't rely on the summary. Instead, click on the web page to check out your search query. Now let's see another example. So search for the website of WHO. We can see here blue links. These are basically a collection of pages under the website of WHO. We can see here the search option. We can search anything on the website of WHO from here only. So let's type India, press enter. We can see it is searching. So I have searched for India. You can see here India. You can see here India. You can see here India. So this entire page consists of news regarding India only.